Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. First, I want to say thank you for all the support that I've been getting on this channel. You really do mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Y'all, this stuff is really getting sickening, the way the government is treating us. It's really crazy. We thought it was crazy before, but now it's really getting stupid. Let's talk a little bit about the unemployment. In order to get this little doggy bone that they're trying to throw at us of one payment of $600 and $600 for the children, the people that are depending on unemployment, the unemployment boost, well, they will lose that help altogether. It won't be any more unemployment boost. That's right, the unemployment boost will be going away if they pass this proposal that they're working on now. They will still be getting the state regular unemployment, but the boost will be gone. And in return for that, they will get the same thing that everybody else is getting, a one-time check for $600. Wow, what a slap in the face. That's a slap in the face for everybody that's dependent on this, but it's really a slap in the face for the people on unemployment. I would love to see these worthless lawmakers live the way they're trying to make us, the American people, live. I'd be willing to bet they could not do it. Some are saying that this is just a down payment on what's to come. Y'all, I've never seen a down payment like this. This is not a down payment. This is the little tip that you leave on the dinner table if you could afford to go out to eat. Y'all, none of this stuff is written in stone yet. Nothing has been passed. So if anybody tells you right now that it has been passed, as of recording time of this video, nothing has been passed. So anything could change. We are still waiting on the final text of this proposal. We know it's been reported by the Washington Post, but until we see it for ourselves, don't believe the media. But keep in mind, it looks like only the kids under 18 years of age will get the $600 dependent care portion of the stimulus if it's passed. If you have adult dependents, they won't be getting a payment. I guess it don't cost anything to take care of adult dependents. Let me know in the comments below what you think about all of this garbage. And don't hold back. I don't mind y'all letting my videos be your sounding boards. Don't hold back with your feelings. Nancy Pelosi has screwed the American people big time by waiting and not negotiating. She has had the opportunity many times to approve a stimulus check for the people, but she's always held out for more. Well, now we're not getting more. Looks like we're getting a lot less. Thanks a lot, Nancy. Also, she's not the only one. She's just one. Mitch McConnell has screwed the American people by not wanting to compromise, by just sitting on packages, saying they're dead in the water, and putting a brake on spending. Mitch McConnell has really hurt the American people and the Republican Party. Thanks a lot, Mooch. At a time when we all need a stimulus package, The only thing I can see that they have done is a whole lot of nothing. They can't agree on anything. Even President Trump, at one time, he would have signed almost anything. But Nancy and Mooch could not get together and get anything to him to sign. He would have signed on just about anything, but that was before the election. That opportunity has come and gone. At this time in Washington, nobody is doing anything to help the American people. So now, before the little package is passed, let's just hope Nancy Pelosi and the Mooch Man does the right thing and demand $1,200 stimulus checks and $500 dependent checks for all dependents, the way it was supposed to be. And let's hope he puts the at least $300 unemployment boost back in. I mean, people was working at their jobs. They had good paying jobs, and they lost it because our government shut everything down. And now our government is turning its back on their responsibility to the American people. Joe Biden still says a real stimulus check is coming right after he takes office, if he takes office. And by all indications, he will take office. But I'm saying if, because it hadn't been done yet. After he takes office, he plans on sending out a stimulus check per executive order. I don't know if he can do this or not. I hope he can, and I hope he will. But right now, I mean, it's probably not fair to Joe Biden for me to say this, but I don't have faith in any of our government leaders right now. So he's going to have to show me when he takes office. Y'all, I really do not see Nancy Pelosi going for this small package and the way they're doing the unemployment and the $600 stimulus check. I don't see her taking it. She's done some crazy things in the past, but I don't see her stooping this low. Y'all, tell me what you think about this little doggy bone that they're trying to throw at us. Really and truly, I think they're trying to throw it at us just to appease us a little bit and to shut us up. Well, I'm not shutting up, and I hope you don't either. Steve Mnuchin, President Trump, Mitch McConnell, and the whole White House staff. It's looking like they're on board for this little bitty doggy bone package. We still have to wait on Nancy Pelosi. She's going to be the key person here. If she bulks on it, which I think she will, maybe we'll get something better. But if we don't, let's take this little $600. Let's take it while we can. Then right after Biden takes office, if he don't send out that executive order like he says he will, which I don't know if he can or not, but if he don't and he can't, we have to jump on him again for another stimulus package. Because they did say that this is a down payment for what's to come after the first of the year. Let's hold them to that. They're hoping we'll forget about it. President Trump has said that he is going to sign a presidential order that all Americans gets the vaccine that wants it before the United States starts helping other countries. This is good, but still, we've seen a lot of executive orders that he could not pass. So let's see if he can do this one. Y'all, just to recap, the stimulus package, only a $600 stimulus check for adults. a $600 stimulus check for the children. That is not adult dependents. It's just for the children. Adult dependents, right now, it looks like they get nothing at all. People that's on unemployment, they'll still continue to get their regular state unemployment, but they will get no unemployment boost. So they will be given up $1,200 a month unemployment boost in exchange for a one-time $600 payment. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments about all of this craziness that's going on right now with our government and the way they do not want to help the American people. And it's obvious they don't want to help the American people, or they could have done it by now. Y'all, I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here in just a minute. And please keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will see us through this. I know He will. He's never let me down. The fact that I'm sitting here is proof that He's never let me down. Y'all, I love you all. Please come back tonight at 9 p.m. and watch mine and my wife's show. It's Late Night with Walter and Amy. We don't talk stimulus, politics, or anything like that over there. We just have a lot of stupid, crazy fun. And there's a lot of people that really enjoys it. I hope to see you there. Until tomorrow, if you don't go there tonight, I love you all. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. Ciao.